Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 24. I'm starting this walk at the Dolphin Club, right on the edge of the Aquatic Cove. This historic club, founded in 1877, has been at the heart of San Francisco's open water swimming tradition for nearly a century and a half. Members are known for braving the bay's icy waters without wetsuits, training for swims across from Alcatraz, and keeping alive a unique part of the city's culture. Leaving the club behind, I followed Jefferson Street east. The character of the walk changes quickly as the quiet of Aquatic Cove gives way to the lively energy of Fisherman's Wharf. This area was once the working center of San Francisco's Italian immigrant fishing community, where families hauled in catches of crab and fish daily. Over time, the working harbor shifted, and the neighborhood evolved into one of the city's most famous destinations. Along Jefferson, the street is lined with seafood stalls, restaurants and shops, and the smell of clam chowder and freshly steamed Dungeness crabs drifts from the vendors. Street performers often set up along the way, adding music and entertainment to the bustle. The sidewalks are crowded with people exploring, grabbing food, or heading towards the pier for its boat tours and bay cruises. Even with all the commercial activity, there are still remainders of the walk streets. Fishing boats remain docked nearby, and some of the seafood stands continue the tradition of serving catches straight from the bay. Historical markers and plaques recall the early days when this was purely a working waterfront, long before it became a tourist hub. As I continue walking, a mix of sights, sound and smells makes it clear why Jefferson Street is such a draw. It's a place where San Francisco's maritime heritage blends with its modern identity as a city that welcomes millions of visitors each year. Starting from the quiet determination of the swimmers at the Dolphin Club to the vibrant energy of Fisherman's Wharf, this walk captures two very different but equally iconic sides of the city.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.